Imagine building one of India's most iconic tech brands and then watching its public market value crash over 60%. Now, imagine the founder quietly planning to take that brand name away and move it into his family office. This isn't a fiction movie on Netflix. This is the founder versus the market, and it's only getting started. In just 5 years, Bhavish Aggarwal took Ola from India's Uber to an electric revolution. But now, Ola Electric is facing public market heat. Ola Cabs is stuck in neutral, unable to plan their IPO, and the billion-dollar brand is caught in a storm. Let's unpack the unraveling and what Bhavish might be trying to salvage before it's too late. By 2019, Ola Cabs had conquered India's streets. Bhavish Aggarwal was a tech star, and then he made a bet no one saw coming. He launched Ola Electric, raised over $800 million dollars, and built a massive 500-acre future factory, all before delivering a single scooter. The scooter bookings exploded. Investors couldn't throw money fast enough. Ola Electric was valued at $5 billion, all before its first IPO filing or even before actually setting up the plant. But success, as it turns out, was short lived. After a year of delays, Ola Electric finally listed on the stock exchange in August 2024. It debuted at 76, a modest valuation of $4.8 billion compared to the fundraise which it did at $5 billion a few years ago. But within 6 months, the share price first rose up and then dropped over 60% to just 47.40. Why? Production issues, recalls due to battery fires, massive executive exits, and unfortunately, an insolvency petition filed against Ola Electric Service subsidiary in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. A bankruptcy petition for one of India's leading tech brands post IPO. Investors lost confidence, competition is planning to overtake them, and Bhavish's plan to become India's Tesla is started to look more like a liability. Meanwhile, Ola Cabs, the original engine which started Bhavish Aggarwal's entrepreneurial story, was quietly shrinking. FY23 revenue rose to a modest 2799 CR, which is decent, but losses were still at 772 crores. This is after raising billions of dollars in funding, the company was still not profitable. Ola shut down its overseas ride-hailing businesses in the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. And here's the kicker. While Ola Cabs is preparing for a $500 million IPO, insiders say it's just a cash raising game, not a growth story. And most investors do not actually believe that Ola Cabs can again grow their revenues to higher numbers. So, if the company's revenues are not growing, losses are still there, how do you think would the IPO go? Even investors like Vanguard marked down Ola's valuation to just $1.9 billion, less than half its last private round. The growth engine has stalled completely. And now we get to the most controversial twist in the story. Bhavish Aggarwal is planning to transfer the Ola brand, yes, the name itself, Ola, from Ola Cab's parent company ANI Technologies to his personal family office. Now, why does this matter? Ola Electric has licensed ANI Technologies, which is the parent company of Ola Cabs, to use the Ola brand name, though the company in this recent announcement has declared that there are no commercials involved and Ola Electric is using the brand name completely free with no payments for life. But if Bhavish moves the brand to his personal family office, it would mean that even the parent ANI Technologies might have to potentially pay license fees to Bhavish's family office to use the Ola brand name. We don't know whether this is true or not, but you can speculate whether this being the case or not. This would also potentially derail the IPO plans for Ola Cabs or any large private market acquisition deals for Ola Cabs, if any were in place and if they were being planned right now. It also gives Bhavish full control over how the brand is used across his AI, EV, and energy ventures. This isn't just a name game anymore. It's a consolidation of power away from the company into the founder's hands. And insiders, they are not happy. The man who built Ola is now trying to separate its identity from its operations. And he's betting that the future of the brand is probably not with ride hailing, but with electric, AI, and energy. But with Ola Electric in a market free fall, is this vision genius or desperation? In 5 years, Bhavish Aggarwal built an EV empire from scratch. He raised billions, took Ola Electric public, and tried to out-innovate every legacy automaker in India, the most notable being Bajaj. But now he is juggling a sinking stock, unprofitable operations, and a parent company that's out of gas. And through it, he is preparing to detach the most valuable asset, the Ola brand, and take it private. No board approvals, no shareholders, just done. These are the rumors which have been spreading over since last week. How true is it? Only time will tell. But there is a very serious rumor about this happening right now. It's extremely bold, extremely risky, and it might just break Ola's original promise. Is, is Bhavish Aggarwal the next Elon Musk or the next cautionary tale? Ola Electric is India's top selling EV brand, but the market is turning. Ola Cabs is still a household name in India, but it may soon be nameless, and they may actually have to pay license fees to Bhavish Aggarwal's family office just to use the Ola brand name. And if the brand name custody move goes through, both IPOs could implode. The existing Ola Electric and the Ola Cabs IPO which is being planned. And investors will be left holding nothing but empty logos. So if you want raw, honest feed break, breakdowns of India's biggest startups, hit subscribe to the channel and drop your thoughts in the comments below about Bhavish Aggarwal's move. Do you think Bhavish is making a genius move or pulling the rug? We've got our eyes on what happens next because this isn't just a business story, it's a battle for the future of Indian innovation. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you need my help to raise capital or help you grow your business, check out this video where we'll be going through more details of how we help you grow your business. All the best, take care.